Hello guys, welcome back in this new video on DevOps with Yannick. This episode gonna be pretty short because I'm just gonna show you a couple useful Docker Compose commands that you need to know in order to render your stuff with Docker Compose. Remember in the previous one we have set up our Docker Jenkins image server and everything was working successfully. We were able to access it online. I've attached the link for this video if you want to know how to set up your Jenkins container server with Docker Compose. So I'm just going to show you a couple of useful commands and make you understand more what is the role of the volume. You remember during this episode I've installed some plugins, I've set up my administrative access credential and so on. So normally with a container where you didn't define the volume, this is our volume. Okay, if I'm doing ls Jenkins home, you can see everything that I have, user content, my plugins and so on. Okay, so if I'm running the command docker ps right now, you can see that I have my Jenkins container that is working. When I'm going to do docker compose down, I can make docker compose stop also. It's the same. That one's going to shut up. That one's going to stop my Jenkins container. And when I'm going to run docker ps once again, that's going to show up. And if I come back right there and refresh my page, you're going to see that the page is inaccessible. We couldn't access it anymore. You see, awesome. So right now, because I have a volume that I set up and I still have my image on my computer or on my server, I'm just going to make sure that I am in the good directory where I have my Docker Compose file in my volume. Okay, and I'm just going to run my command once again. Docker Compose in detach mode and have my container Jenkins started. And if I come back and refresh my page, you'll see that everything Jenkins is getting ready to work again. So that's a little bit it. Docker PS is showing up again, my server. So that's a little bit it about how to stop your server. And you're going to see that I'm going to be able to use the same credential that I was using before because I've attached a volume on my Docker Compose file. When I log in, I don't have plugin to upload anymore because everything was kept inside my Docker volume file. Okay, so that Docker volume file, remember, is this one, this Jenkins. Okay, if I make ls Jenkins home, you can see, so it's the same. So yeah, just to make sure that you understand the role of the volume. Okay, once you're going to shut up, turn off, stop a Docker container, you're going to be able to join or to merge the content of the volume on the next server that you're going to open. Thank you for watching until the end and see you on the next video. Bye.